Hi, and welcome to a short video to show you how to use the JavaScript policy in using Gravity.io. So if I first of all head over to this API, what you'll see is that I'm hitting the what time is it endpoint, and it's giving me back timestamp and date. Now if I head over to Gravity, what you'll see is that I'll just delete that I've been testing with. You've got an API. So if we head over to Postman and just do send, what we'll see is that we're getting the timestamp here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add the JavaScript policy, and we're going to add it on the response flow. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the response, we're going to manipulate that response, and then we're going to send it back to the person that's hit that endpoint. So on the response script at the moment, if we go back to Postman, you'll see that there's headers. Now it hasn't got a header which is called X Gravity Gateway version. Okay, so what we're going to add in, we're going to add an extra header, and then we're also going to transform the content as well. So what we've got here is we've got our JavaScript policy, we've got a response script, we've got a response content. Let's just head over to our IDE. We're going to add a Gravity Gateway version header here. So let's add that on the response script. I'm just going to change that to response. And then also what we're going to do is we're just going to transform the response back to the user of the API on the response script. So we're just going to paste some script into there as well. Okay, so we're going to add that policy and save and deploy. And essentially, if we go back to Postman here, what we're doing is we're getting a timestamp and date, and also we've got some headers there. Sorry, not there. On here we've got headers. Okay, so if we look at the headers, just send that and look at the headers, you can see that Gravity Gateway version has been added there. And if we look at the body, you can see that the output has been manipulated such that you can actually have hacks in there. So we've added those two bits using our JavaScript policy. So it's a super powerful policy. You can do some incredible things with it. You're just simply adding some JavaScript in there to manipulate the content. And remember, you can also do that to transform and add headers, transform the content to the request on the request phase as well as the response phase as well. So super powerful policy. I'm sure you'll have lots of fun using it. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next video.